If the goal is to have a culture of health in America, then that means that we have to all come together.
Obesity is one of those issues that we really need to address as parents, within the schools, within the community.
1/3 of all of the adults in the United States are obese. 1/3 of all of our children born today will develop type 2 diabetes. Over $190 billion. That's more than 20%. And our healthcare costs each year are attributable to obesity.
Cross-sector work suggests to us opportunities to go beyond what might be normal partnering or normal day-to-day transactional behaviors and engagements, and to reach disciplines, institutions, bodies of knowledge that are beyond, in our case, media and education.
So when we think about the root causes of social disadvantage, because that is related to obesity, and then the causes of the causes, how we get to the point where we're eating too much and not being active enough, that's really spread across, the decisions are spread across a lot of different sectors.
So whether you're coming from manufacturing, transportation, urban design, education, information technology, this issue around obesity is everyone's issue.
Simply put, we just won't be effective if we focus our efforts in the medical office building. As soon as our patients walk outside of the medical office building, they are impacted by an environment that makes the healthy choice not necessarily the easy choice.
Philanthropy can't do it by itself. Public health can't do it by itself. Media can't do it by itself. The food and beverage industry cannot do it by itself.
Everyone has a part to play, and we need to think creatively of how that we can synergize those parts to work together for the greater good.
We think having Cookie Monster learn that a cookie is a sometimes food and regulate his behavior, being more patient, is a model that kids, as they adopt, helps.
But at the end of the day, it's about making the case that there is common ground and that there is value in working collectively, again, to achieve what might be different end goals for everybody, but they're all going in the same direction.
The great thing is that all of those different goals have convergent interests, convergent strategies, and that's where the real juice is.
No one entity has the resources to invest in a singular type of way to address the issue. No one. And so with that, everybody has to come together on this issue. It is solvable. It is solvable. It's complex, but it's solvable. And I believe that.